Look at where we at, man. We in freaking Home Depot. Look at this. Look at it. Check that big back. Hey. All right, y'all. Here we go. Here's an update on the truck, y'all. Everything going pretty well. So far, so good. Knock on the steering wheel. So far, so good. So yeah, man, feel good, you know. Coming out at nighttime, man, pulling out baby girl real quick, you know what I mean? Riding down Wardlow. Yep, there we go. Thing riding good. Riding real good. Real good. Hell yeah, riding real good. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. And one beautiful night, by the way, too, man. Nice 3-pack. Because I'm about to go live, probably, if anything. Or if not, I'm probably just going to play COD. I'm going to play Grand Theft Auto and just kick back. Let's talk about this real quick. I know y'all saw the non-alcoholic stuff. Okay, I'm going to keep it 100, y'all, about the non-alcoholic beer. Non-alcoholic beer, you guys, it's too expensive. Too expensive. Like, a 6-pack of non-alcoholic beer is like about $16. I could get a 12-pack of ultras for $15. You know what I mean? So think about what I'm talking about as far as like price-wise. So I'm sticking to regular ultras, y'all. I know I said I wanted to, transition to non-alcoholic beer and everything, but I think I rather would just stick to the just regular ultras and shit and just keep it like that. You know what I mean? That way, it ain't gonna hurt my pockets and shit. You feel what I'm saying? But besides all that, man, it's not what this video is about. Feel good coming out here. Feel real good coming out here at night. Feels real good. Hell yeah, it feel real good, man. It's the west side, baby. It's the west side. It's the west side that nobody talks about. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. But don't get it fucked up, y'all. I do get cracking out here. Hell yeah. I do get cracking out here. But this truck drives good, man. It's a good driving truck. Hell yeah, it's a good driving truck. Hell yeah, I love this truck, man. I love it. I love it, man. I love it, y'all. I kept it this long. To all the people that's new to the channel, this is a 2002. This is a 2002 Lincoln Navigator, y'all. 5.4 4-valve. 4-valve per cylinder. We just cruising down Santa Fe right now, y'all. This is Santa Fe. And a lot of people, we call it the Fe line and everything. If you're a West Side nigga like myself, we call this the Fe line, man. Hell yeah. Louisiana fried chicken. Motherfucker almost hit me. Hell yeah. I want to check one thing right now. We're going to pull into AM PM. We're going to check something on the truck, by the way. We're going to check one thing right now. I'm going to check the battery terminals real quick. Yeah, I'm going to check the battery terminals real quick. Make sure everything is straight before we head back home. And I'll close this video off for tonight. So yeah, let's pull into... Uh-oh. I think I popped. It popped. Damn it. Damn it, y'all. I bust my fucking beer. Hold on, man. I know y'all saw that on camera. Y'all gonna be tripping out. What I like to do late at night, you guys, I like to bag the truck in. Yeah, I like to bag the truck in. Yep. I like to bag the truck in that way. You know what I mean? That way something go down. That way something go down, you know what I mean? Get in here and take off. Man, we gonna fix these lights, man. Oh, they didn't bust. All right, cool, they didn't bust. But yeah, let me shut this off real quick. Let's pop the hood. Let's get my toolbox. I know y'all crazy right now. Y'all be like, Darrell, is late at night, but you know, the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. No matter what time it is, it don't stop. Yep. The work and the grind don't stop. That's what a lot of people don't understand, man. When you're a YouTuber, you know, you got to get that content, man. And sometimes it's a 24-hour job. You know what I mean? It's a 24-hour job. And like I said, this is what I rely on. There we go. Got to smack it a little bit. But yeah. I'll wash this truck. Hold on. I'll wash this truck after the rainstorm and everything. It's supposed to be raining like crazy this weekend. As y'all know, today is Friday, so yeah, probably by the time y'all wake up, y'all probably see this video. I just want to check everything over real quick. And like I told y'all, if this battery fails prematurely, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get an Optima battery, y'all, and I'm gonna go brand new. I just want to check something over real quick before I get up out of here. I'd rather be in the lit up area compared to where I live at, man. That's why I can't wait till I do get my own spot, you guys. That way I could just do this at home, at my own spot and everything, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gotta worry about too much shit. This shit was still loose. What the fuck? Yeah, this shit's super loose. This shit was super, super loose. Let me check everything. Cause a lot of times you guys like loose terminals can cause, you know, fluctuation with the voltage and everything too. So I'm just making sure everything is good to go. Everything is nice and snug, and everything got a good connection, man. Let me get this one right, y'all. Hold on real quick. Hold on real quick, y'all. Yeah. This might have been the problem, in my opinion. This might have been the problem. This shit probably was so damn loose, wasn't getting a good connection. So, yeah. She'll be straight after this. If anything, y'all, like I said, but if anything, if this battery dies prematurely, I am going to get an Optima battery. I'm going to get an Optima battery, or I'm going to get a high performance battery, like for the audio systems and everything. That's probably going to be the route that I'm going to go. That way, you know, I ain't got nothing to worry about. So yeah, let me snug this up real quick. Good to you? I'm just double checking real quick. Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah. I know how that be. think that's it. Yeah, we good. That's nice and snug. This shit shouldn't come loose. All right, yeah, we good. Yeah, we good, y'all. We good. Yeah, man. Good thing I got a toolbox. Fucking son of a bitch. Oh my God, y'all, technical difficulties. That's why I don't cut nothing out, man. That's why I give you guys raw and uncut. That's why I give you guys raw and uncut footage. I don't edit nothing out. Anybody that works on that turns wrenches and works on shit, especially like a car or a truck or SUV, even a commercial vehicle, you're gonna drop sockets in the fucking engine bay. So yeah, we get that taken care of. So at least we got that nice and snug. Yeah, that might have been the issue this whole time, y'all. Probably crazy, man, crazy. So yeah, keep you guys updated. I'll keep you guys updated, man. Shout out to the people at AM/PM, man. They not even tripping. They not even tripping. Hell yeah. This how you know we all, I'm telling you. I know everybody out, from all the gas stations to the liquor stores to the 7-Elevens, the restaurants. I know just about everybody, y'all. I'm a paying customer. Shit. So yeah. Yep. We's good. Let's get up out of here. Yep, let's get up out of here, y'all. And like I said, I'll wash this truck after the rainstorm. Suppose we got a rainstorm this weekend. So I'll wash that shit after this rainstorm. Oh, man. There we go. Yep. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone like that, y'all. I'll keep you guys updated if I have any more issues to come in the future and shit. So like I said, let me put this on the ground, or let me put this somewhere, man. Hold on real quick. Felt good coming out here, y'all. I'm telling you, it be quiet on the west side. Like, a lot of people it be quiet on the west side, y'all, but shit do go down around here. It be at the most random. Yep. Purring like a kitten, y'all. Purring like a kitten. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Feel good riding out here. Nice late night ride. Late night cruise, man. Nice late night cruise. But yeah, once again, I keep you guys updated. Like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell, all that good stuff, baby. Road to 100K. And y'all stay tuned for what's about to come next, man. I'm out of here. I'm about to go home. Got some good cold chelas. And see you guys in the next video. Happy Friday to everybody. If y'all want to support the channel, y'all want to support this truck and everything, make sure I hit the links down below in the description. God damn it. It's Friday and it's payday. See you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace, prosperity, and nothing but positivity, baby. Let's go. Let's run it up.